What is your biggest pain point right now? Like, are you able to take bookings? Are the bookings coming in? If you can take bookings, are you struggling? And the overwhelming message back was that they are struggling with either lockdowns or restrictions, or they have to can't take bookings for whatever reason because they're in all of the tiers. And I'm going to list off 9 different ways that you could generate income during these crazy times. We're going to focus on Gumtree, but not just Gumtree. We're going to focus on those alternative listing sites. So the reason why I put Gumtree is that we've got a new member of the Boostly Academy in Team Boostly, Chris Ballard. He's a fantastic guy. I've been really enjoying getting to know him a lot more. Liverpool fan as well, which always helps. But this is just one of the examples of the Boostly Academy and why it is so amazing. That's my private training group, if you were wondering, is that he put up a post in the group just saying, hey, I posted on Gumtree. This is what I did, and this was the result. Then number 2 of number 99999 is key workers. So this is sort of like going back into the playbook of maybe March or April. Key workers, hospital staff, truck drivers, key workers falls into so many different categories. It isn't just NHS staff, but even with the big restrictions right now, people are still able to travel for work. That's one of the stipulations. And again, the contractor, the worker market, the key worker market is still going to be key. Key workers still need accommodation, even though all the big media buzz around key workers has sort of died down a lot.